مرحبا بكم يا أطفالي الأعزاء. اليوم سنتحدث عن موضوع جميل وشيق في مادة العلوم، إنه المغناطيس. أنا أعرف بأنكم تحبون المغناطيس. لنتعرف عليه، هل أنتم مستعدون؟ هيا! هناك أشكال كثيرة للمغناطيس، فمنها شكل أسطواني كما في الصورة. انظروا، هذا مغناطيس على شكل أسطواني، وهذا أيضا شكل من أشكال المغناطيس. هل تعرفون ما اسم هذا الشكل؟ هيا فكروا. نعم، حذوة فرس. انظروا إلى الصورة في الأسفل، إنها صورة قدم حصان. سأخبركم بشيء. نأخذ الحصان إلى الحداد ويركب له في أسفل قدمه قطعة من الحديد. أتدرون لماذا؟ حتى تحمي قدمه عندما يمشي أو يركض. ويوجد للمغناطيس شكل حذوة فرس. وهذا شكل آخر للمغناطيس، إنه شكل مستقيم. وهذا شكل آخر للمغناطيس، هيا اقرأوا معي. قرص، شكله دائري. سأخبركم بأن ماما تضعه دائما على الثلاجة. المغناطيس يجذب فقط الأشياء المصنوعة من الحديد، إذن لا يجذب الأشياء المصنوعة من الخشب والزجاج والورق والبلاستيك، فقط الحديد. الآن نشاطي لهذا اليوم مع ماما، سنقوم بجمع أشياء من داخل البيت، ثم نحضر مغناطيس ونستنتج ما هي الأشياء التي يجذبها المغناطيس، ونضعها في صندوق ينجذب. والأشياء التي لا يجذبها المغناطيس نضعها في صندوق لا ينجذب. حان وقت التسلية. هاي، سنلعب لعبة مسلية مع المغناطيس. سنحضر صحن كرتوني ونضع عدة ألوان عليه، ثم نقوم بإحضار دبوس أو مشبك ورق مصنوع من الحديد، ثم نضعه داخل الصحن، ونحضر مغناطيس ونضعه أسفل الصحن، ونقوم بتحريك المغناطيس. سنلاحظ بأن الألوان امتزجت مع بعضها عند تحريك المغناطيس. لعبة مسلية. هناك استخدامات كثيرة للمغناطيس. والآن عليك يا مفكر أن تمسك مغناطيس وتبحث مع ماما عن الأشياء الموجودة داخل البيت ويجذبها المغناطيس، وقم برسمها على ورقة يا فنان. والآن حان وقت القراءة. ما رأيكم أن نقرأ هذه الكلمات؟ هيا فأنا أسمعكم. النهاية. أرجو أن تكونوا قد استمتعتم واستفدتم من التعرف على المغناطيس. إلى اللقاء.
Good morning, KG2. How are you today? I hope you're all well and safe. I miss you. I really miss you a lot. I hope you're all doing good. Today's lesson in science is about magnets. What is a magnet? A magnet is a powerful, strong metal that sticks to certain objects. How does the magnet look like? Well, it can come in this horseshoe shape, or it can come in a bar magnet shape, or a ring magnet, or a cylinder shape, which we talked about in maths, the cylinder magnet. The words that we're going to learn today is the word repel, which means pushing away from each other, attract, which means to stick to each other. And we're going to talk about the two ends of the magnet, which is the North Pole and the South Pole. And lastly, we're going to talk about magnetism, which is a force either a push or a pull. It either repels or attracts. Magnets have two ends, and the both ends are N for North Pole and S for South Pole. Here is the magnet that has two poles, as we talked about. The blue is S for South Pole, and the red is N for North Pole. And also we have another one below, which is like a horseshoe shape. It has an N for North Pole and S for South Pole, correct. Here is magnets, two types of magnets. One is a horseshoe shape and one is a bar magnet. The one on the left is attracted to what? What object is it attracted to? Can you tell me? Correct, paper clips. And on the right side, iron filings. They're made of iron. And they're attracted to which end? N is for what? North Pole. So it's attracted to the North Pole end. However, the one on the left, the paper clips are attracted on the N for North and S for South. Magnets repel or push away non-metals, which means anything that's not made of metal, it will not attract to, it will not stick to. So can you please look at the picture below and think about this? Which one will the magnet stick to or attract to? Where will be there a magnetism between the magnet and the object? Yes, correct. The coins and the screw and bolt. But do you think the magnet will attract the duck? Correct. No, of course not. Why? Because it is made of plastic. Correct. Well done. Here you can see a picture of two bar magnets. What is happening here? Can you tell me? The N and the S, the North Pole and the South Pole, are attracted. There is a force, a magnetism force that attracts them together because they are opposite. They are not the same ends. However, if you see here, there are three types or three labeled magnets. The top one has S and N, which is South Pole and North Pole. So what will happen if they're not the same poles? They will attract. But below there are two other magnets. One has South and South, and one has North and North. What are they doing here? They are repelling. They are repelling. And the above one, they are attracting to each other. So that means that we learned today that the ends of the magnet, if they are the same, they will repel. And if they are different, not the same, they will attract. How are you today? I hope you're all well and safe. And I really miss you. Today's lesson is going to be about magnets. How does the magnet look like? This is a horseshoe-shaped magnet. It has an N for North and an S for South. These are the ends of the magnet, which are very, very strong. The magnet can come in a bar shape like this, or it can come like this, or they can come like these, different shapes, sizes and colors. And sometimes you find a magnet on your fridge like this. So what does the magnet do? We said in the slideshow, we said that magnets are attracted to metal objects. I'm going to use this magnet to see an experiment of how the magnet actually picks up things. Does it pick up wood? Do you think this is made of wood? Do you think it will pick it up? No. How about the coin, the money? Do you think it will pick up the money? Yes. Why? Because it's made of metal. How about the sunglasses? No. No. What about the bottle lids, the plastic ones? No, because they're not made of metal. How about the dice? Let's see. No. What about the comb? No. How about the metal balls? Wow. Look at that. It's picked up the metal balls because they're made of metal. Let's see. How about the plate? No. The fork? No. The knife? No. What about the spoon? Yes, because it's made of metal. Let's try the key and what happened here is that also the screws are picking up because they're made of metal. Let's remove them so we can try to pick up the key by itself. Yes, it's attracted. What about these? We said they are attracted. The screws, they're attracted to the magnet. How about if I try the screw inside a plastic? Do you think it will pick it up? Let's see. That's strange. How did it pick up? Because it actually picked up because there was a metal object inside. That's why. How about another experiment we're going to try? In here I have some iron filings. I'm going to put them like here on the paper. What will happen if I put the magnet? Will it be attracted to the paper now? Yes, and it moves along because there's a magnet underneath. How about here? If I put magnet on the iron filings, they will get picked up because they're made of iron. You should try this experiment at home so you can see how powerful the magnet is. So what did we learn today? We learned that the magnet has two ends, and we learned that they have a north pole and a south pole. And we learned that the magnet picks up metal objects, but does not pick up anything that is not made of metal. Also in the slideshow, I told you that if the magnet has a north and a south, they are attracted. What happens if they're not the same, they're not different poles? If they're the same, like north and north, will they attract? No, they're repelling, they're pushing. Okay, what about now? Yes, because north and south attract, and north repel, and south repel if they're in the same poles. I hope that you enjoyed this lesson and that you could try this at home with somebody grown up like your mom or your sister or your father or anybody else. Thank you for watching.